let's take a look at how to acquire Python. First, let's navigate to python.org. Go ahead and mouse over Downloads. You'll have a couple different options. For us today, we're going to go ahead and just click the download option and then download Python 3.10.2. Go ahead and save that to a location that works for you. Alright, once you've got Python installed, we'll want to open the IDLE Python. Now you notice I've zoomed in here a bit, made this a little bit bigger for your convenience. But from here we can run Python one line at a time, for example. And there's our output. If you'd like to do more advanced coding, go ahead and select File, New File. Now we can write much longer programs. For example, let's go ahead and try Hello World again. Let's go ahead and run our program. You'll notice it asks you to save, so go ahead and save. And for us, we'll go ahead and save it the Python file. You can select your documents. I recommend keeping all your Python files together in your course folder, however you have that organized. So let's go ahead and do test 1, save, and you'll notice it opened the IDLE shell and ran it as Hello World. If we were to go ahead and close the IDLE and run our program, it'll open it for us and give us the results. Alright, if we were to run our program without Python open, you'll notice that there's a little bit of an error. You see that? It happens so fast, I'll slow it down for you. It opened, but it opened so fast and printed Hello World, we didn't even get to see it. Now let's take a look at how to slow that down. Go ahead and open Python again. Get our IDLE open. We can go to recent files this time. Open test 1. We've got Hello World. Now if we want it to pause for us, we have to put in at the very bottom of our code, and I recommend doing this for all your homework assignments so that the instructor can take a look at your code. If it's just print, if it's a game where it's asking you to play again, that's another thing. But for a lot of the early assignments in CS 160, it's going to just have you do some outputs. So they will just flash and the instructor will have a harder time seeing your code. So to prevent that, we can go ahead and put in input. Slow down. And we will say x equals input slow down. And that should, if we run this, should keep it open for us. Let's go ahead and test that. And once again, we'll close both of our Python windows. We'll double click test 1, and you'll notice that now the Python window is staying open for us. You can have your own message here. You might put your name just to help the instructor, or another comment for them. Alternatively, you should be able to leave it blank with the parentheses and a space. So I'll leave that up to you. That's it for this video.